Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to turn on safe mode on your Android phone step by step with all the details you need. Pick up your phone. Then swipe down from the top of the screen to open the notifications panel. Swipe down again if needed to fully expand it and access all the quick shortcut options. Next, look for the power icon in the top corner of the screen and tap on it. This will open the power menu where you'll see options like power off, restart, and sometimes emergency mode depending on your device. Now here's the important part. Tap and hold the power off option for a few seconds. Do not just tap it once, make sure you long press it. After holding it, a new pop-up window will appear with the safe mode option. Tap on safe mode and your phone will automatically restart. Once it turns back on, you'll see safe mode displayed at the bottom corner of your screen. This means your phone is now running in safe mode and only default system apps are active. Safe mode is very helpful for troubleshooting problems like app crashes, freezing, or unusual behavior caused by third-party apps. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more easy tutorials.